The Solana price has been surging higher to new levels, currently sitting at $227 after topping out at $232. So there's definitely something interesting happening on the Solana chart. Are we going to continue on to this price target here all the way up at $274, or could we see a bit of a price reversal after this recent push towards the upside? So we can see something interesting has just happened here. This is on the 4-hour Solana chart, and we can see that we have had this consolidation pattern. We can see here that we had a breakout a good sort of 12 hours ago from this symmetrical triangle pattern, where we did come up, we did get rejected, pushed back down inside, and then pushed onto the upside. We also have this W pattern, where if we take a price target for that, we can see that we pretty much fulfilled that perfectly, where we take from the top of the W to the bottom and then to the bottom again, and then we can see that we have hit that price target before then being pushed back towards the downside. But if we look at the Fibonacci tool, then we can take from this swing high on the 25th of October, drop it down to the swing low from the 27th, and that shows us something interesting indeed. Now, obviously I mentioned, guys, once we have breakouts like this, that we don't necessarily need to jump straight onto that train. Here we had a breakout, and okay, this one didn't push up quite so aggressively, but took some time consolidating further before making this move to the upside. Now we are seeing a bit of a rejection, a bit of a push back down, and it wouldn't surprise me if we did come back down to this $218 level. Now, if we hold $218 as support, then this would be a perfect buying opportunity in my opinion. Obviously trading is risky, go away and do your own research, and then I can think we will be pushing towards higher levels, with the next target being the 1.618 all the way up at $243, which from our current price would be another increase of around 7%, but we are still well in play, as I've mentioned, for this price target all the way up here, which would be another 20% if we're able to get towards these levels of around $274. So now, guys, we can see that we are going to be playing around potentially in this zone here before we make it to new levels. Every time we're hitting a new level, we're finding resistance, bouncing back down, turning it into support and moving up through. We didn't really find much in the way of resistance at this level here at all-time highs, and we then have managed to push through aggressively. So Solana is looking very bullish. If we look down at the RSI, however, we are looking a little on the overbought side, so it wouldn't surprise me if we did continue to push a little further down to this $218 level. But if you're starting to recognize what's happening when we see Bitcoin surging to the upside, we're kind of expecting to Solana to move straight away with it. Actually, we see Bitcoin moving up aggressively. We then see a bit of a pause before Solana starts to take some of those profits away from Bitcoin, people selling Bitcoin for profits and then moving it into coins like Solana. So in terms of what you see in the market, pay attention to what Bitcoin and the rest of the cryptocurrency market is doing, and don't get kind of impatient thinking, why is Solana not making the move, and taking your money out and dumping it into other coins thinking that they are going to move quicker, because actually maybe Solana is just kind of a bit delayed and following a little bit behind Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. Guys, I hope you enjoyed today's quick Solana update. Make sure you hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.